Creating a funny math pun t-shirt design in Adobe Illustrator is a great idea. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a simple t-shirt design featuring a math pun. Decide on a math-related pun you'd like to use for your t-shirt design. Here I have taken 5 funny math quotes. Here I have used different colors, red and white for question and answer, and similarly I have chosen different font for them. Here I have used handwritten font. You can download free fonts from websites like Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts. Adjust the text color and size to make it visually appealing. Arrange your text on the canvas. To create an aesthetically pleasing composition, use the Align and Distribute options to ensure everything is properly centered and spaced. We will prepare all 5 one by one. You can see how I am arranging them. You can do the same. If you want, you can use some graphics in it. I am making a simple design here. We will put all the designs on the shirt one by one. We will do this by going to Photoshop. Once you're satisfied with your design, save the file, and then export it in a format suitable for printing, such as AI and PSD. Be sure to consult with your t-shirt printing service for their preferred file format and resolution requirements. Now, you have a fun math pun t-shirt design ready to be printed. Make sure to double-check the sizing and placement on the t-shirt to ensure it looks great when worn. I will keep bringing you many more such videos.